Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Hang Up by Power button on Redmi A3 Pro. If you want to be able to hang up calls by power button, go to Settings, then go to Additional Settings, Accessibility, Physical, Power button and call, enable it, and now when you get a call, you'll be able to just hang up by pressing on the power button, whether whether you want to hang it up before answering or end the call when you've already answered it and you're in a call. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.